Okay, this is Raymond Stable and DragonBlogger.com again, and here with the Alonso speaker. A couple of things to note about this. Power on and off. I'm going to turn it off real quick because I had it on while I was testing it. Initially, it lights up when you first turn it on, and then it speaks to you.
Is ready to pair.
I have no idea what that means. I've already set up my tablet to pair with it, but I wanted to try to point out a couple of things. It has a TF card slot, which ideally would mean that I can listen to music already on a TF card. In the front here, if you call this the front, it could be the back. There's a spot for putting an auxiliary cable. If I don't happen to have a Bluetooth mode on my device, I can plug it directly in through there. And then I have the charging port right there. Now, this one light is on at the top, but if I want...
灯光已关闭 Lightning mode off.
I can turn it off.
灯光已开启 Lightning mode on.
I can turn it on. Now, once it's on, and I start playing music through it, this particular mode allows the song to cause the lights to blink at a certain speed. Now I'm going to pause that just for a moment. I'm going to zoom back out just one direction. So when it's resting, the light comes on. What it doesn't have on here that I can tell, and I'm going to have to tell you that I'm kind of guessing on some of this, because I do not see any means to answer a telephone. That could be, there's a little dot right there that may not be able to be seen. That could be for answering the phone. The problem is, for me, and certainly not for the people who speak this language, while it does have a step-by-step illustration of everything, it's a step-by-step illustration that's written in a language that I personally do not know how to read. So therefore, anything that it says is a guess on my part. But nonetheless, this is a fairly lightweight speaker, and we're gonna test it out a little bit with the volume. It's not an amplified audio, but it doesn't sound too bad whatsoever. It's not a very expensive speaker, but it is a very pretty speaker. Certainly it draws some attention to itself and is a good conversational piece, if nothing else. And, like I said, it's portable, it's handy, you can take it around with you, and you can change those light modes. And for some of that right there is kind of a neat feature. If you're kind of a nerd like me as far as this stuff goes, that's kind of nice. And it's all the way around. So in a way, you've got a little colorful Christmas tree if you wanted it, playing your Christmas music and put your little star on top. And, oh, well, anyway, I like it. I think it's really nice. I don't think it's too, I haven't seen anything about it that I don't like so far. Other than that manual being in a language, like I said, I can't read and I can't understand. Beyond that, this is a great product, and I think you'll enjoy it. For DragonBlogger.com, this is Raymond Stable, and wish you a great evening and even better tomorrow. Good night, folks.
Disclaimer. This product was provided to the author to do a review. All opinions are 100% authors and authors alone. For more information, visit bit.ly/dbdisclose. To have your product or brand showcased on Dragon Blogger, visit bit.ly/reviewmyproduct. Thank you for watching.